In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're looking to save time or ensure consistency in the emails you send, understanding how to create and use templates can make your email tasks more efficient and professional. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's start by creating your email template. The process begins with opening a new email message in Outlook. You can easily do this by navigating to your inbox and clicking on the New Email button. Once you have your blank email open, look towards the top of the window where the menu options are located. You'll see a button labeled Apps. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select My Templates. This is where you will manage and configure your email templates. Once you're in the My Templates section, you'll notice an option labeled Plus Template. Clicking this button will allow you to create a new template from scratch. This is where you begin to personalize your template. First, you'll want to give your template a name. This is an important step because a clear, descriptive name will help you identify the template quickly in the future. After naming your template, move on to entering the desired content of your message. This can include the body of your email and any standard greetings or closings you regularly use. After you've entered your content, the next step is straightforward. Click Save. This action will store your template securely within Outlook, ready for use anytime you need it. And that's it for creating your template. Now let's look at how to use these templates effectively in your daily email communication. When you're ready to use one of your templates, start by opening a new email message. Like before, click on the New Email button or open an existing email to which you wish to reply using a template. Once your message window is open, navigate once more to the Apps menu at the top, just like we did earlier, and select My Templates. In this menu, you'll see all the templates you've created, including the one we just made. The next step is to click on the template you wish to use. Once you do this, the content of the template is automatically inserted into your email. It's as simple as that. The text and formatting you'd saved earlier will appear in your message, saving you the effort of typing it all out manually. Before hitting send, make sure to review the email for any customization needed for your specific recipient. You can make necessary adjustments directly in the email before sending it off. This ensures that every message remains personalized and relevant to the receiver, even when you're using a standard template. Once you've made all the necessary tweaks, click Send to dispatch your email. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to manage and send emails using templates in Microsoft Outlook. I hope you find this method helpful for your daily tasks, adding both speed and consistency to your email communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips and tutorials.